Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise on our Toyota Camry. It's a 2022 Toyota Camry SE. So I'm going to do an update on it and also give you what kind of problem I encounter. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos. And I really appreciate that thumbs up. Okay, so this one is a Celestial Silver Metallic. And we don't have a lot of miles on this one. I do want to show you around because a new model is coming for 2024. Yes, I have paint protection film here to prevent the headlights from turning yellow and ugly in the future. Yes, I also have paint protection film on the hood, so I avoid some of the rock chips when I want to patch paint. But I don't have anything else on the vehicle except those areas. And then doing a lot of modification and that in particular except for the paint protection film. So you notice this vehicle looks very sporty maybe or very bland. So, let me know in the comments what you think. Sometimes I think it's kind of flat. Been out there for a number of years. So Toyota's going to redesign this vehicle. It's a new Honda Accord got redesigned. Yes, they got these little aerodynamic fins over here. So small, but I guess maybe it makes an impact. That's why they have it over there. This one, you notice, is very easy to open with the door handles. I'm going to start out with the engine here. It's a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder double wide cam D4S port and direct injection. 203 horsepower, 6,600 RPM, 184 pound-feet of torque at 5,500 RPM. So enough power, and by the way, it's really awesome in the gas saving department. 28 city, 39 highway, 32 combined. And yes, we really get really good numbers. Has a prop rod. Yes, it's insulated on the hood. You still hear the engine noise though, not that well insulated. And you close the door, just push on the fin over there. And there's nothing in the back. So you push on the fin to lock the door, the driver's side. All right, grab the handle to open it. And the seats here are soft text. Pretty nice overall. I'm not sure about the durability of these seats because I'm going to tell you a reason behind that. And yes, there's a little gap over here. One problem you encounter is you drop your coin, you drop something easily out of your pocket. Yes, more plastic. Yes, there's a little tint on this vehicle because we tinted it 50%. All right, maybe not enough, but it works great. A lot of hard plastic, and the locks, the windows, the door switches, everything works. Chrome door handle, pretty much is metallic. It's not cheap plastic, I guess. That's good. Hard plastic on the bottom, hard plastic here, and softer plastic there. So the hard plastic is easier to scratch as well too. You can see that mark. So over here, you notice on the right you got the cruise control, collision mitigation, lane departure. On the left, you got the audio functions. Yes, and over here on the left, you got the technometer, the temperature gauge. On the right, you got the speedometer. In the middle, we have a little area like an information display and stuff like that. And also, it tells you you can get weird cross traffic coming or something like that. And turn off the radio here. So remember, this is a 2022 model. It has a panel black plastic. And, it drives pretty good. Can't really do the demo of the drive, but it's really sporty. That means if you want a softer ride, you might want to go for the LE or actually the XLE. All right, and the hybrids also have a LE. I think the LE model is discontinued for the regular gas only model for the 2023 model year. Yes, I have the mirrors because I got the blind spot mirrors, a package deal. And these are the functions that come with this particular vehicle. So not a lot of functions. You got the hold to open the gas cap and stuff like that. Manual parking brake. Wish it wasn't manual, but it is what it is. No Qi charger. A little storage compartment over here and a place to put your phone, which is nice. Climate control system over here. The settings. And the shifter is a regular shifter. You got Eco, Normal, and Sport. Something goes here, I guess, if you have the hybrid. 2 cup holders. Put your foot on the gas and hit the button to start it or turn it off. To turn off, you don't need to put your foot on the brake, by the way. And get this thing out of the way over here. You can see the seats. And the seats looks pretty nice. I mean, comfort is okay. I wouldn't say it's the most in padding or anything like that. but it definitely looks pretty nice with the color of the vehicle, right? It has these inserts and stuff like that. And durability, I don't know. I mean, we're gonna visit that over time, I guess, right? What do you think about the design? I mean, how is it? It's not gonna be a luxury vehicle. Sun visor test. Well, has a slit that slides out, I guess. Pretty heavy, pretty heavy for the sun visor. It makes a little noise over here, like a spring noise. No biggie. All that space just for one sunglass holder, I feel like it's a little waste in a way. And no sunroof. Have a dome light. Check this out. You got the off door and also on. All right, so back seats, seat 3, 2 in the front. You got 5 passengers. So, oh yeah, let's take a look at the back of the vehicle first before we go inside. And this is a Toyota, so you still have the emblem Toyota Camry. It's a nice selling vehicle. A lot of people purchase this one over time. Sedan is not really in that much, I guess, but it's a really cheaper vehicle to go for than a SUV in terms of the price. And like many Toyota products, the engineered to last long may not be the most luxurious or it has the most high tech. That's the thing. It doesn't have the opening for the door handle on the back, so you have to open it from the front. Yes, it's a SE. I guess if you have the XLE, you might have the feature. So here's the problem encountering, not because it's dirty or anything like that in particular, right? It's okay to be dirty a little bit, and we could clean it and such like that. No AC vents, no vents in the back. That's one problem we overlooked when we purchased it. But headrests, the headrest is already fading already. So it's obviously soft text, I guess. Really surprising. So we're talking to a Toyota dealer on and see what they could do. But this one's in fading. So, and we usually sit in the front. We don't really sit in the back at all. So this one's starting also. And the material's not the best if it starts fading. That's soft text, I guess. I'm surprised, right? But there are no holes, no dirty. We don't use any shampoo products or hairspray or anything that particular in the back. And yeah, there's a little fade going on. Yes, those are tethers for the child seat. You probably could put 2 child seat in the back, and enough room for that. 2 mat pockets. I mentioned we got the weather package. That's where we have these floor mats, but there's nothing for the center hump. I don't know why it's that. Another view of the front of the vehicle, driver's side in particular, and visibility out the A-pillars and such are great. Very easy vehicle to drive. Simple vehicle to drive. But this one doesn't have vents in the center, which is a bummer. I had to go for the XLE to get that. So more hard plastic on the doors. I guess what you pay is what you get. Takes more money to make softer plastic, I guess. Not much you could put here is a bottle of water, and it has to be at an angle. So it's just kind of usual. So visibility visibility out of the mirrors are pretty good overall. And soft text. That's Toyota's version of the urethane, I guess. New Lux is the one on the Lexus, by the way. Oh yeah, I want to mention these. These are the map lights, and they're pretty good. I mean, the white light, except for the center dome one, which seems to be yellow. You can see that over there as well too. And this one does have navigation, of course. You could do the CarPlay and Android Auto if you like, and it has to be plugged in. So I'm sure Toyota's going to make some changes for the 2024 model year. It's going to be maybe wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. And I'm not sure how much this vehicle would change. 60/40 split folding seats. Awesome. I wish I had it in my Lexus with that feature. No pass-through, by the way. And I'm see if there's a spare tire on the bottom. That's for sure. The thing is, it might be difficult to show you on that. I got all these layers. I got the net. You know, it's gonna be hard because the net is in the way. So you gotta take my word for that part of it. Spare tires are not the norm anymore, I guess. A lot of companies have phased that out. And don't ever get run flat tires because it's hard to find them. Number one of the viewers mentioned that, and it's very expensive, like $300 per tire. Well insulated in the back trunk, which is great, keeps the noise out. Okay, so that's the walkthrough of my 2022 Toyota Camry SE, 4-cylinder. So I'll keep you updated on the headrest and what I learned about this vehicle overall. The mirrors don't fold in my particular model, and yeah, chrome door handles, which is good and bad. I guess the chrome will fade over time, wear out. Yes, these are 18-inch wheels. I think the SE has a special 18-inch wheels, which is really nice, and looks pretty good too. And Bridgestone tires. I'm not sure how long those will last. These are original. Let's click touch over here to lock it. Hopefully you enjoyed the walkthrough of my 2022 Toyota Camry SE. Comment to share, please leave below. Please remember to subscribe. I appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.